can spread out.
Woo! This way.
Hey, there's space on this side. You want to
Bring it, Steve.
We're going to get a picture with him, too.
There he is. Wonderful. We're ready.
Thank you, guys.
You get your bell.
Only by His power am I here.
Amen.
Only by His power. And these ladies have just been the most incredible. They are servants, and I don't know what that word is. They have just ministered to me, and every time I walk back here, there's just a ray of sunshine and joy and happiness. And they do that with not people just like me, but people that have incredible problems in their life.
This is what he does.
He's used to that.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. I want to tell you guys the history of the bell. The history of the bell. Our first bell was donated by an admiral. And he wrote the poem. And the poem says, "Ring this bell 3 times well, is told to clearly say, my treatment's done, this course is run, and I am on my way." Because whenever admirals bring a ship in safe to port, and whenever they take one in out to port, to let everyone know that all is well, they ring a bell. So he's made us safe to port, and all is well.
All is well.
Mark and Larry and Kim will sing that now. Thank you guys for coming. You're dear friends.
We love you.
Yes, love. All right, Daddy.
Wear your wristband.